Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the iTag Pro. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a device that you clip on to anything and then it will automatically send and transmit your location, basically just a GPS device that will allow you to locate it wherever it is. Now, before we get into the details, a lot of you have been messaging me about products to review. And since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below, guys, for the link. And with that out of the way, let's review the iTag. So as you can see, you have it here pulled up on Amazon. And as you can see, from what I said, it is just like an Apple Air tag. So as you can see, there are no reviews for this product yet since it's not very famous. However, I did find a review here on Trustpilot for the iTag Pro with 36 reviews and a disappointing 1.4 out of 5 stars. Now let's read some reviews right here. So as you can see, my bad. Wish I read the reviews first. What a scam. Do not buy from this company. Total scam. This is a scam. iTag Pro, do not buy. I feel like such a goose. Avoid. And the list goes on. As you can see, what a pile of cheap, useless tat, and a lot more. So please do not use this product, guys. If you want to buy a real tag, just buy the Apple AirTag, although it does come with a premium price. However, at least you won't get scammed from this. And that is it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.